Hello, I'm Lubna. Today I'm going to teach you how to contour. Today I'm going to use a cream contour. Now if you stay in a more humid place, you're going to love a cream contour. But if you stay in a dry place, you would like a powder contour. I would also like to mention one thing, that I have a dry skin, so I like cream contour, and cream contour stays a lot longer than a powder contour, at least in my case. So let's get started. So now we are going to take the contour stick and place the product just below the cheekbone. I'm taking a brush to blend that contour into my skin. During this step, please be careful. As you can see, I am dabbing and blending the product into my skin in an upward motion. And please don't drag the product in the downwards way, because it will make your face look droopy. Blend towards the upward direction. It will give you a more lifted and youthful look. Make a pouty face and blend the product just below the cheekbone, and don't bring it too low. Add more product if you feel the need to. Moving on to the next, if you like a sharp jawline, here's a trick. Apply some product on the jawline and blend it downwards and along the jawline. As you can see, if you have any harsh line, then you can take a clean brush or your foundation brush or a sponge to just blend that harsh line into your skin. Make sure there are no harsh lines, otherwise it looks bad. So, I like to put a bit of contour on my forehead, near my hairline. It makes your forehead look much smaller. I don't take any more product for this step. I just use the product that is left on the brush and blend it in. Now I will take my foundation brush and clean just below the contour to, snatch it up. Then I will do the same thing on the other side of my face. Again, you see, you create a tree on the side of your face. To set the contour, I'm using a contour powder. It makes it way more long lasting and gives the contour a more blended and natural look. I'm taking a small bronzing brush and tapping in the bronzer or contour powder on the top of my cream contour and blending it in. Again, upward motion. Now smile, because I've taken some blush and I am placing it right on the apple of my cheeks. Make sure you smile so that the placement of the blush is correct and blend it in with the contour. Separate harsh lines doesn't look flattering. Again in an upward motion. I will mention the product that I'm using in the description box. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial and learned from it. Don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for many more.